VKSS Academy. This is the topic of computer network, which is consisting of series of classes. This first topic is introduction to computer networks, and it will be helpful for you in different examinations like semester exam, competitive exam, GATE exam and NET exam, etc. Introduction to computer, that means it is the connection of computing devices for transmitting data and sharing the informations. What I have written here, look at me. It is defined as a system that consists of two or more computing devices. That may be computer, laptop, tablet, switch, hub, anything. Those are the computing devices, etc. For transmitting and sharing information. We are using computer networks for transmitting data or sharing information to other users. Otherwise, we can define again it as it is a collection of two or more systems. It is a collection of two or more PC. We can call it as a computer network. By using different kind of medias, that may be by wire and wireless. If we are using by wire, that is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable, etc. Similarly, in case of wireless, that may be microwave, radio wave, Bluetooth and satellite. My dear friends, just to discuss what are the advantages by which end user will get. These are the things, these are the advantages of computer network by which every user can gain. So first one is to share the files. If a system is containing a particular file, so how others will access that particular file? That is the advantage of the computer network by which every user can access the particular information of a particular user. Second one is to share the hardware device. If a network is containing printer and all the users are wanting to print their information, so everyone can access that particular printer. That is the advantage of the computer network. Another one is to share the application. If the application is there at a particular node, so every user can access that. That is the to share the application. Resource sharing. Suppose our network is containing database system, so we can store the data from every user and access the data by every user from that particular database. That is also the advantage of the computer network. Next one is communication. We can communicate through different kind of protocols, and that first and foremost example is that is email. That is the advantage of the computer network. Next one is to reduce the cost of data transfer. So transferring the data, it is a main job of computer network. So which is very much easy, and nowadays it is the only medium to share the data and information from one node to another node. Last one is access information from cloud, and next one is telephony conversation. These are also the advantage of the computer network, and by the use of computer network we can use another concept, that is remote desktop control. By staying from away from the particular destination, we can access that particular data which is not in our system. That is also the another advantage. Thank you.